Hi, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. I want to do a fast, quick, easy card for you, something that you can send out right away to some of those folks that are in social distancing and quarantine, self-quarantine, so they don't get all off by themselves. This is a cute card. What you're going to need is, I am using the little Ladybug stamp set. I am using Memento Black ink. I am using a very vanilla note card and a piece of crushed curry cardstock. I'm also using stamping dimensionals and some glue dots. I'm also using Mosaic Mood Designer Series paper. This is cut 3 1/4 by 4 3/4. Okay, and again, this is quick, easy card. Make it for somebody you know and send it out this week, because people need to be know that you care. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my piece of Designer Series paper and I am going to attach it to the very vanilla card. I tell you, this is easy. This paper is so beautiful. You can use any paper, but this paper is so beautiful. And the crushed curry is really goes well with it. It's one of the coordinating colors. So all I'm going to do is I am going to put Thinking of You on it, just like that. And I am going to put a couple pieces of, stamping dimensionals on it. That's my husband. Just like that. And there you have a quick card you can send off. So remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make this card is down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.